go. Those mountains up there look a little ominous, don't they? That's how close the snow is. Not liking that. But so far, so good. What have I gotten into? This is what we're dealing with today. Haven't figured out where Miss Bonnie is and what's going on. Okay, Miss Bonnie, I don't understand what's going on. We were spraying weeds, and it was innocent enough, and you asked if I would come out here 80 miles from where we were, and I don't know about you, I don't see any weeds around here. This is Alvord Dry Lake Bed, and we have to follow those trucks right over there. There we go. Let's just drop in here. Now, I haven't explained exactly what we've got going on. What is going on here now?
We have been enlisted to assist a country music artist in creating video material for a new country music release.
That is cool. If you've been watching the lives, I put that out there. I didn't give a lot of information on it though, because I really didn't have a lot of information. But yeah, we are driving across the Alvord lake bed, and this is massive, guys. Let me just show you. And wow. So what I haven't, we started this off with a high school rodeo, and I didn't really get a chance to get you on the channel and kind of explain what you do. Now you work for the state, and we were out spraying weeds.
Weeds, yes,
yeah,
yes.
For the last week. But now we're out with rodeo horses and rodeoing. You run a rodeo company.
Yes, yes. I have a rodeo company. It's called Tri-State Rodeo Company, and I have a partner. Debbie Scott is the bull lady, and I'm the horse lady. And we pack several sanction cards around, well, actually 4 states: Oregon, Idaho, Washington, Nevada. And we got enlisted by the 2-time world champion bareback rider for the senior pro rodeo to assist his friend in doing this video shoot. This rodeo company, you provide, people wonder where the horses, where the bulls come from. That's you raise them. That's your company right there. That's actually what I started with, was raising bucking horses, and then I kind of branched out into being a contractor to provide, and they call us production people at this point in life, but we go in and put on shows in all over the place, and most of them are related to rough stock in some way. They're bull shows, or bucking bulls and bucking horses, or full rodeos that have everything. And so we're the people that get called up and hired to bring all the stock and the bullfighters and the clowns and all of that stuff into the shows.
This is cool. Well, I'm going to give you one more shot of the desert, and you can kind of see it out there. We're driving across, and we're going to get a little behind the scenes, and we'll be showing it on this video. So hang on, guys. we have a little bit of driving to do, and it's a little dusty too. There is a lot of wind out here, and I guess we're going to find out. If you've ever wondered what it takes and what lengths people will go to make a music video, hang on. We're gonna take a look at this, and we're just going to go ahead and park. I'll add one more thing. There's no gates that are around where they're going to release the bucking horse and the bulls out. And basically, they're going to be in the open desert, so they've got pickup men. And these guys are right behind. It's going to be their job to chase down, not necessarily the bull, but the bucking horses are going to be a little wild. We're wondering how far they're going to run before they're able to get something around them and get them back. So it's interesting watching this coming down.
Don't open that yet, Debbie's in there.
What they're doing right now is they got to transfer a bull over to this other trailer because they've got bucking horses in the front of this trailer over here. But we'll say the mountains are disappearing over there, and they're worried about some weather coming in. So you wonder about all the things that goes into production, and these are all the considerations. Anytime you work with animals on a production, you can account for a lot of things, but when you've got an unhappy bull, he's going to let you know. I'm going to have to apologize for the wind noise, guys. There's a lot of wind noise out here. It's going to make filming a little difficult, but we're going to see how good we can do. I see a drone right over there, and you can see it's fighting the wind. See if I can zoom in on that. And just like that, they got the shot. One more ride to do, and they can call it a day. run horses, and I think they're going to get another bull because it sounds like the production crew wants another bull. And so I think the other truck is they're going to try another bull, and we're going to run some horses. Hang on. And how's the timing of that? They just wrapped it up, and the winds and the rain are about to hit.
Bad.
Bad. Snowbird Mesa. A few people up here. Figured I would catch up with you and get this video done. We finally have the finished music video. So without any further, thanks for watching, and we'll go ahead and get to that video. Enjoy, guys.